These are all six-figure paying careers in software engineering. Let's go ahead and break them all down and see which one fits you best. As you can see, software engineering is actually an umbrella position, which means that you could deal with just one of these or all of them. But the majority of the time, whenever somebody says that they're working as a software engineer, they'll mostly fall in line with full stack development. Think about YouTube, think about Amazon, think about Facebook. All of these can be accessed through a website. As a full stack developer, you need to make sure that the information is being displayed, but also that our data is being handled and our data is being fetched appropriately. So mobile development is a very similar story to full stack development, except that this is going to be now, instead of going through websites, natively happening in your device. So some examples of mobile development are things such as Uber, Instagram, and TikTok. The big difference here is the fact that you're now going to be working with tools specifically designed to run natively on your application instead of accessing it through the internet. Game development, these are your Minecrafts, Epic Games, and your Nintendo. There are lots of genres that you can explore, from 2D platforms, multiplayer games, horror games. It's about crafting experiences. It's about focusing on gameplay and making sure that you're following all of these design philosophies in order to cater to your player base. Data science is all about answering questions through data. So for example, what movies do we recommend to this user? And how exactly do we use data science to figure that out? Well, we go ahead and we could see things such as their watch list. When we analyze the data, we can then start observing patterns, and we could say, you know, this user likes horror movies and comedies. With the results that we acquired, we're able to build the model and recommend a list. And this is constantly done in so many companies, basically saying what is the most efficient way that we can cater to our customers. AI and machine learning are very similar to data science because we will still be working with data, and we'll be doing a very similar process of analyzing the data. Except when it comes to machine learning, we're now using that data to train and to teach AI in order to do tasks. AI and machine learning is very dense, and it has a whole lot of different subfields within it. You got robotics, you got self-driving cars. So anything that you can think of that a human can do, you can basically train an AI model to do it, and to do it in a quicker and much more efficient way. And then finally, we have cybersecurity. So cybersecurity is all about protecting software. The funny thing with cybersecurity is that the first thing you